Okay, so there's a bird trapped in this bin. I'm not sure if you can see it. The dogs tried to get it, which are over there in the fence. We locked them up. And we figured out a way to put it in this bin. See? It's scared right now. Let's see if I can touch it.
No, yeah, just leave it like that.
But where can we put it? What can we do? Okay. So I guess we're gonna leave it, and in a while we're gonna let it go out in our yard. See? My ugly sister's right there. Just to let you know. And yeah. So I'll make another video later once we're like a little done waiting and see if we could actually set it a little free. So bye.